question 7, we're using trigonometry again, but this time we're trying to find angles instead of sides. So we're going to use the inverse rules. We're going to set this up in a very similar way. We're going to start by writing SOHCAHTOA to help us with our rules. And I'm first of all going to start by naming these triangles. So I know that this side is the hypotenuse, and then using this as my reference, this one will be the opposite because it's not connected in any way. This one will be the adjacent, but I won't need that one for this set of questions. So I can see here that the sine rule is going to be the best because I've got the opposite and the hypotenuse that I need to work with. So I'm going to start by using sine theta equals the opposite over the hypotenuse. So sine theta will be 2.4 divided by 3.5. And I don't want to find what sine theta is, I want to find what theta is. So it's really the balance method. What I'm doing is I'm dividing by sine on both sides. And the way that we now write this is theta equals sine to the negative 1, or inverse sine, times 2.4 over 3.5, which I then put in my calculator, and theta will be 43.29 degrees, not forgetting your units.